Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna unbox this new IQOO Z9 Lite 5G smartphone. I have ordered this from Amazon. It is newly launched. Let's unbox this, and you can see its box. It is a 4 GB and 128 GB storage. And at this side, you can see IQOO is branding here, and at this side here it is written that it is Mosha Brown with 4 GB RAM and 128 GB storage. And at the back side you can see its other details. You will see. Let's open the box, and here it is, the IQOO Z9 Lite phone. Let's keep it aside, and let's check what it is in the box. And here you can find a protective case. It is very smooth and it is rubber, you can see, and a warranty card and a quick start guide. And here it is, the adapter. It comes with the adapter also, you can see. And friends, here it is, the 1 meter long USB to type C charging cable and a SIM tool tray. You can see it is a SIM tool. So let's keep it aside and come to the best part about the mobile phone's design. Let's check this. And friends, here it is, the phone. Let's unbox this. And friends, here it is, you can see the color. It is very matte finish with brown color. Is the best color for mobiles. You can purchase it, and it is a 50 megapixel of camera and a 2 megapixel of back camera. And the other side you can see there is a volume rocker button, up and down, power off button, and at the bottom you can see a microphone and a type C charging port. And here it is, the 3.5 mm audio jack. And at this side you can see there is a SIM tray. You can just pull it out, and here it is, the speaker. You can see speaker is at the top, not in the bottom. Let's open the smartphone. You can see this. It has two colors, Mocha Brown and Aqua Flow. I have ordered in the Mocha Brown, and it comes with two variants, 6 GB 128 and 4 GB 128. I have purchased in the 4 GB 128. Let's open this. First you have to choose English, then click on Start. Here you have to choose India. If you belongs to India, then you have to allow all these agreement and terms, then click on Next. And you have to connect to the Wi-Fi first. Let's put the password, and getting your phone ready. Friends, the best part of this mobile phone is it has 4 lakh 14,564 Antutu score. That is very best for your gaming experience if you play games in it. And it has 2.4 gigahertz of clock speed, octa-core CPU architecture. And here it is, Dimensity 6300 and a 5G. It is a 5G smartphone, and with 5000 mAh of battery life, and with extended SD card up to 1 TB. And it has also 6 plus 6 GB extended RAM with smooth app switching and hassle-free swiping. And it is a Sony camera, 50 megapixel Sony AI camera. With it is a main camera, and this is the 2 megapixel of camera. Let's click on don't copy, and it is checking information. And it is, friends, IP64 dust and water resistance beautifully robust with water and dust resistance, and it has ultra bright display with HBM with 14. You have to just skip this first, sign in with the Google account, just click on skip. It has 14 fun touch OS, Android powered by 14. You can see powered by Android 14. You have to disable all these first and click on accept. Just click on Google, choose your search engine, then you have to press on next. Here it is set unlock method. You can set screen lock, fingerprint and face lock. Just skip it for a while and click on skip. Here you have to press on OK and click on disagree. Here you have to just click on next, and here are two navigations mode, gestures navigation mode or three buttons. Click on next and click on, you can see congratulations, your phone is ready. Fun touch OS, click on get started and your phone is ready to rock. And its camera feature is very good in it. You can see in the front camera it have 1080 pixel. Let me show you. I have taken some pictures in it. I have to show you. Friends, let's open the camera, and I have taken some pictures. Let me show you first. And here you can see the clarity of its back camera. You can see when you just zoom it, it is not uh, any blur or any of the effect. It is very good. You can see that its camera quality and optimization is very good. You can see the front camera also. The brightness and contrast are very good. And let's see in the photos. Here it is the settings. Click on video, click on camera, and let me show you the resolution also. Friends, here it is. The front camera has also the quality like 720 pixel at 30 fps and 1080 pixel at 30 fps. You can choose the maximum. And let's test it sound also. First you have to open your YouTube, then you have to, yeah, just click on search bar and type here music. Let's open this. Friends, its size is 6.56 inches. Its display, I'm talking about the display. And let me show you its sound quality. You can see it has not in the bottom, it has upward the speaker. Friends, let's talk about the video quality, how much it has the video quality maximum. Click on YouTube, and here you have to write this, and you have to click anyone's video, and you can see the quality also. I show you the quality in the settings. Here it is. Friends, it has 1440 pixels. Let me show you. You can see when you just zoom the image, it is not blurry at all. You can just zoom it. 8x zoom. If you like this smartphone, then you can purchase it from the Amazon. Its price is very good. At this phone, you can see it has two variants, 4 GB with 128 storage. It is something 10,500, and 6 GB 128 storage is 11,500. You can purchase it from the Amazon, and I have given the link in my description. You can get there. I hope you like this unboxing video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.